Today I am going to explain polynomial. Today's my topic is polynomial. First look at what is a polynomial. Okay, polynomial is a combination of two words. Okay, first it is a poly and one more word is nomial. Polynomial is a combination of two words, that is a poly and nomial. Poly, it is a Greek word. Poly, it is a
Kindly when teachers are giving demo, other teachers kindly stop using your personal phones.
And nomial, it is a Latin word. Okay, polynomial, it is an algebraic expression which contain ax power n form. Okay, here poly means many. The meaning is in Greek, it is a many. What is the meaning here? Many. Nomial means it is the meaning is terms. Okay, the complete meaning is many terms. Okay, here we are polynomial is an algebraic expression and it is deals with the mathematics, and here a is a coefficient, and x is a variable and n is a exponent is a n. It we have to take positive number. It is a whole number. Look at any algebraic expression when we are writing in terms of ax power n, so that we call as a polynomial. For example, what is polynomial? Look at, for example, 1 by x plus 4 is a. Can we say this is a polynomial? Here 1 by x we can write, we already know a 1 by a power n, we can write a power minus n. It is negative. Here if we look at here, it is the power is x power, we can write this one x power minus 1 plus 4. Here x power, what is there? It is a negative number. So we cannot say it is a polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. Okay, so always power should be, x variable power should be positive, then only we can say that is a polynomial. Now look at type of polynomial. Now look at in type of polynomial based on terms. Based on terms are there and based on degree. Now, if only one term is there, that we call as a one means, here look at mono. Mono means it is single term. Monomial. Monomial means mono itself is a single term. So when any algebraic expression we are explaining in only one term, that we call as a x. For example, x, y, 4z, 10, n. These are all are the monomials. Separates only single terms are there. So this one we call as a monomial. Okay. Next, if two terms are there, for example, if two terms are there, for example, 3x plus 4. Here when we are observing, if we observe here 3x, it is a separate term, and 4 it is a separate term. Okay, when we are observing here two terms are there, terms are separated with the mathematical operator, that is plus or minus. Okay, now look at here two terms are there. So if two terms are there in any algebraic expression, two terms are there means that we call as a binomial. Okay, whatever is degree, we are not looking about the degree here, we are looking about the terms. Single term means that is a monomial. If two terms means that is a binomial. If for example 4x power 10 plus 7 only there, 7, this is also we can say that is a binomial. Example 4x power 10 plus 7. Whatever degree, we are not going to degree here, we are discussing based on the terms. Number of terms, how many there is 4x power 10, it is a complete one term, and 7 is a complete one term. So this is a, based on these terms only we can say it is a binomial. For example, any algebraic expression polynomial having three terms, that if three term means that we call as a trinomial. For example, if you look at here, 3x square plus 4x plus 7. Here when we are looking here, 3x square is a single term, and here 4x one another term, and 7 is one more term. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 terms means it is a trinomial. If more than 3 terms means that is what we call as a multinomial. It is multinomial. More than 3 terms. If any algebraic polynomial having more than 3 terms means that is we call as a multinomial. Now come to the based on degree. Based on degree, if degree is 0, if any degree is 0, for ax power 0 is there. Here when we are degree means highest power we have to take. If any algebraic expression having highest power only we have to consider, that is the degree. Okay. For example, 3x power 10 plus 4x power 15 is there. For this polynomial, what is the here degree? Here it is a 10. Our x power variable is 10. Here look at what is the degree here, 15. So for this combined, which is highest one, so that only we have to take. Highest power we have to take. That is 15. So here 15 is there means our degree is 15. So for come to here, if for algebraic expression, if degree is 0 there, so this one we call as a constant polynomial. Okay. It is based on degree. It is constant. No. If any, for example, you can take 3x power 0 means constant number only. For 3 only. For this x power 0 we already know. Here a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, a power 0. 3x power 0 means it is a 1 only. Okay, 3 into 1, 3 only. So it is a constant polynomial. If we are taking degree is equal to 1, x plus 4 is 8. If we observe here, what is the degree here? Nothing is there means it is a power 0, x power 0. X power 0 we already know, a power 0 is equal to 1 means 4 into 1 is 4 only. Here what is the degree? Highest power, it is a 1. Highest power is 1 means that one we call as a linear polynomial. Okay, when we are drawing the graph, we will get the straight line. While solving, we will get the straight line. Okay. Now next, if degree is 2 there, if degree is 2, for example, for this general form, for linear general form is ax plus b. If we are taking in terms polynomial in terms of x, ax plus b is a polynomial. We will get it is general form for linear. Okay. If degree is 2 there, if degree is 2 there means we can say that is a quadratic polynomial. It is a, if degree is 2 means that we can call quadratic polynomial. What is the general form for quadratic polynomial? That is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, it is polynomial in terms of x only we are taking. Okay, so when we are drawing the graph here for quadratic polynomial, we are getting 3 cases are there. Okay, so first it will come parabola. The graph is parabola. Okay, when the shape is coming upward ways, so a is always greater than 0. First condition. If parabola is coming upward facing, okay, so it is a is greater than 0. Here when parabola touches x-axis at 2 points, we will get 2 solutions. How many solutions? 2 solutions. 2 zeros. We can say 2 zeros or 2 roots are there. So here, if touches 2 axes means you can take a dash and a. 2 points. One more case is there. Maximum we will get 2 solutions only for quadratic polynomial because highest degree is 2 means we will get maximum 2. Okay. Now, in one more case, if we are getting only, if parabola touches at only one point, for example, any one only, if it is touches at origin here, if we will get one more solution only. Here A and A dash both are equal. So we can say that is same equal solutions. In this case we are getting two equal solutions. Okay. Next, one more case is that in third case the parabola won't touch. It won't touch the x-axis. Either it will above the x-axis, or it will below the x-axis. Okay. So for this case, no solutions. No solutions are there. Okay. If the parabola getting downward facing, for example, downward, then here what is the condition here? A is less than 0. So this is there. Now here look at one more there. The degree is 3 there means that we call as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here if we look at here, what is the highest degree here? Highest degree is 3. If the degree is 3 means we can say that is a cubic. That is a cubic polynomial. Okay. Now look at here, we will get maximum 3 solutions. We will get when we are drawing the graph. We will get maximum 3 solutions. Okay. Here it will touch us at 3 points. X-axis at 3 points. So we will get maximum 3 solutions. Now, if any polynomial when we are making equal to 0. For example, general form for linear, what is it? Ax plus b is there. It is a polynomial. When we are making it is equal to 0, then this one we call as a equation. It is a linear equation. What is the general form for the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Okay, it is linear, it is quadratic. For cubic, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. So it is a cubic equation. Here based on degree, for 0 polynomial also there. One more is that is 0 polynomial. Any 0, for example 0x cube is there plus 0x square is there here plus 0x plus. So here there means this all are 0 coefficients, all variable coefficients are 0 means it is completely 0 only. Okay, the degree of 0 polynomial is for degree of 0 polynomial that is not defined. Okay, this is introduction about polynomial. Okay, thank you.